Hello everyone, welcome to this brand new series that I'm going to be creating where we'll be diving into the fundamentals of building a simple 3D renderer from scratch. This 3D renderer will be able to render simple wireframe primitives to the screen, and we will also be implementing a camera system to allow you to move around in this world. I don't want to spoil, but hopefully, but yeah, in this series, I'll be breaking down pretty much everything from, you know, the camera, how to do 3D to 2D screens, and just be giving you a more in-depth look on how 3D engines and graphics kind of work under the hood. I say that with a grain of salt because this is more of a very, very simple way, but it is the basis, the fundamentals of how modern 3D games, engines, and whatnot work. Um, So yeah, the only prerequisites I have if for someone watching this is if you want to follow along, have a programming language of your choice and a graphics library that is included or library that you can use in that programming language. I will be using C++ and SDL3, so it may be different from, depending on what you choose to code in. And I also ask that you have a decent understanding of trigonometry, mainly just cosine, sine, and tangent functions, how they relate, and yeah, I think if you have all of those met, you'll have a pretty good time following along in this tutorial. I also just want to mention that we won't be using any sort of vectors or matrix manipulations. Um, if you don't know, if you had at least had some experience with 3D programming, you know that a lot of times they rely on matrix multiplications, additions, and all that sort. We won't be doing this in this series. We want to keep it nice and simple, just so that everyone can follow along and still have a good understanding on how things are working. So. This is just going to act as an introduction to the series. In the next episode, we will begin actually looking at the idea, the fundamental idea of how we take something in 3D and map it to 2D. So I will see you guys in part one. So peace out.